Hello again. Thanks for tuning in. It's so great to have you back. So let's see. You've been thinking about selling your home, and now the decision has been made. You are moving to a new home in your downsizing adventure. But how to start downsizing your home? Where to start? Should you hire a real estate agent? Decide where to move to? Pack up? Call movers? Tell family and friends? Okay. Slow down. Allow me to guide you through this process, and we'll begin right after this. Hi, I'm Bob Wybrick, a Missouri licensed realtor with Coldwell Banker, Realty Gundaker in St. Louis, Missouri. Please subscribe and click that bell icon for insights and tips on the residential real estate market. I publish a new video every Wednesday, and you don't want to miss a thing. Now, on to why you came here. Things to do when moving, preparing your home for sale when downsizing. Yes, there are indeed a lot of things to consider, a lot of planning to do. By now, you have your why or your reasons for moving, and a decision where to move to has been made. If you plan to buy your next home, contact at least two lenders to compare rates and fees before listing your home. Why do this now when you haven't even listed your home? Speaking with a lender about a home loan may reveal credit issues that would prevent you from buying or maybe even renting a home. This is a good time to do it, not when you're handing the keys to the buyer and find yourself homeless. Ouch. What should you do after you have decided and planned the move? You need to prepare for the move by preparing your home for sale. Things to do. 1. The first step in moving is to walk out the front door and across the street. Look at your home as a potential buyer would. What do you see? Is it pristine like a new home, or does it need touch-ups such as paint, a new welcome mat, flower beds, etc.? Make your home look warm, inviting, and positively memorable to the buyers and their agent. 2. Deep clean and deodorize. Clean the light fixtures, the fan blades, the fireplace, etc. Clean the windows and the window treatments, countertops, flooring. Deodorize and make your house smell fresh and clean. Check for any lingering cooking or pet odors. Do not overuse air freshener. Buyers may think you're covering up a strong odor. 3. Brighten up your home. Open the window treatments for showings, especially if they are room darkening. Replace any underwattaged or burned out light bulbs. 4. Declutter and depersonalize. Make your home appear spacious. Put away the mail, the clothes on the treadmill, the laundry, make the bed, clean the kitchen and the bathrooms, etc. Remove personal items such as family photos and collectibles. The buyer should be able to envision themselves and their belongings in your home, not looking at your photos and collectibles. Remove anything that makes your home appear less awesome than what it actually is. What should you do with all these removed items? Well, you're going to be packing anyway. Why not start now? While packing, put your items in one of three categories. A, items you want to keep and use while your home is for sale. B, items you want to keep but can be packed away. Move them out of the house as soon as possible. C, items you do not want to keep or move. Be ruthless with these items and don't look back. Number 5, organize. Buyers like to see organized storage space. Remove out-of-season clothing from closets. Remove extra cooking utensils and food storage containers from the kitchen. Remove unneeded items from your storage space and put them into one of the three categories mentioned previously. This will make the storage spaces look larger. Have a place for everything and put everything in its place. 6, staging. Stage each room to be warm and inviting. Highlight focal points in each room such as bright throw pillows on the window seat, blooming plants near the windows, tall, colorful candles on the fireplace mantel, etc. Pets. If at all possible, have a place to move your pets to during the showings, preferably out of the home. We want to have the buyers focus on your home, not your pets. Once the touch-ups, cleanings, and removals are completed, and you have spoken with a quality lender, you're feeling rather good and excited about your move. A suggestion would be to schedule a home inspection with a qualified home inspector, prior to listing your home. Now, wait a minute, you're probably thinking. Doesn't a home buyer do that? Yes, the home buyer probably will. The reason I'm suggesting hiring a quality home inspector is if a problem is found that may be a budget buster during the sale, such as a hail-damaged roof, a common issue here in the St. Louis area. But why repair or replace the roof now and not leave it for the buyer? The key phrase was budget buster. If a big expense is discovered by the buyer's inspector, such as a damaged roof, you as the seller will probably be asked to replace it. This may come out of your pocket or at least the deductible with the homeowner's insurance. If you agree to replace the roof, it will need to be replaced before the closing date. This may result in a scheduling issue for you and a possible financial crunch for you. If the home inspection is done prior to listing, the roof could be repaired and replaced on your schedule. This means you will not have to do it under time and possibly financial constraints. FYI, once you discover a problem with your home, such as the roof in this example, and choose not to repair it or replace it, something that you can do in most areas, you will be required to disclose it on a seller's disclosure statement for the buyer to read. This probably sounds like a lot, and you're probably thinking, this market seems to be moving rather quickly. Why not just let the buyer fix up the house? I'm going to sell it as is. Before you decide to sell in an as-is condition, ask your real estate professional about the current market conditions. A real estate market typically falls into three categories. A seller's market, meaning less than 5 months of available inventory. A balanced market, meaning 5 to 7 months of available inventory. And a buyer's market, meaning 8 or more months of available inventory. In a hot seller's market, your home may sell in days, if not hours, possibly with multiple offers and a higher than asking price. In this type of market, buyers may ask for less seller concessions and for fewer, if any, items to be repaired or replaced, such as our roof example. However, any home needing repairs will probably sell for less in any market. In a balanced market, buyers may ask for seller's concessions and for more items to be repaired or replaced. In a buyer's market, buyers may not even consider your home because it's being sold as is, or even worse, offer way below the asking price. The choice is indeed yours. I know this is a lot to take in, and you may feel overwhelmed and stressed. Take it one room at a time and go through the process of preparing yourself for your move. Be kind to yourself and be patient. There are bound to be hiccups along the way. Keep your family and friends close for these challenging times. Now you know things to do when moving, preparing your home for sale when downsizing. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. For more insights into the home downsizing process, watch this video next. Home downsizing, pros and cons. Above all, make it a great day.